Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to show communities from your inbox on Facebook using your PC. This is a great feature that allows you to manage and organize your community chats more effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook on your computer. Simply launch your preferred browser, type in facebook.com, and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Messenger icon. This will open up your inbox where all your conversations are stored. Now, locate the Communities section within Messenger. This is where all your community chats are organized. Click on it to enter the Communities tab. Once inside, scroll through the list of communities to find the one you want to manage. When you've found the desired community, click on the three dots located next to its name. This will open a small menu with additional options. Finally, select Show from Inbox. With this option enabled, the community will now appear directly in your inbox for easier access and management. And that's it. You've successfully added a community chat to your inbox on Facebook using your PC. This makes staying connected with your favorite groups even more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from these steps. Thanks for watching.